Memecoin DEGEN is pumping like crazy, and if you were watching my videos for the last week, I mentioned it multiple times, like in my last 2 to 3 videos. And why it is pumping is because it is the only meme coin that is listed on Coinbase, and Coinbase is the biggest exchange in the world, the most popular exchange. I think maybe Binance is number 1 or number 2. I think Coinbase and Binance is fighting for the number 1 spot. But if we are looking at the App Store rankings, you can see that Coinbase actually jumped from 435th or something like that to 21st rank, which is insane, which means that the retail is here. And the bullish fact about DEGEN is that when retail goes in Coinbase, this is the first thing they see. They see the DEGEN, that it gained over 100% in the last few days, which is indicating that the DEGEN will most likely grow and make a 1 billion market cap really soon. That's my personal opinion, and this video is not a financial advice. And my personal price prediction for DEGEN is 30x. The market cap right now is around 271 million. The fully diluted is around 800 million. I think 10x, 20x is quite easy because, again, it is the only meme coin that is listed on Coinbase, and when people understand the meme coins is the biggest narrative, and most of the normal people, the retail, are not buying on decentralized exchanges. That's why I was buying DEGEN a few days ago, and I was rewarded with 100% gains in the last 24 hours. First of all, you have to look at the biggest cryptos, the Bitcoin, the Dogecoin. Dogecoin is up like 2x since I made the video. A few days ago, I made the video that Dogecoin will be going up because the narrative is the biggest coins. Because this happens always, and this is my third crypto bull run. When the Bitcoin pumps, the first 20 to 30 coins pumps as well. Only after a few days, the altcoins will start pumping. And you always have to check the biggest narratives. The biggest narrative right now are meme coins. Maybe someday NFTs will come back, gaming will most likely come back, AI will come back. But when you see something major happen, like in 2021, in January or February, there was the NBA Top Shots, which made the NFTs go viral. Also, the Beeple sale for $69 million made NFTs go viral. Right now, I don't see any signs. I see that people are buying CryptoPunks quite heavily. So it looks like NFTs might come back, but there has been nothing major. Only Bitcoin has done some insane things, because I have never seen Bitcoin go from 80,000 to 90,000 in basically 24 hours. And right now, meme coins is the biggest narrative. That's why I am still holding DEGEN. I will be buying more. I am buying more meme coins on Base. For example, DOGEN Me. The Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, actually mentioned DOGEN Me a few days ago. Also, I'm holding Basenji on Base Network. I think this is one of the biggest dog coins on Base Network, and the market cap is really low. Also, the Base God meme coin, I'm holding that heavily. And looking at the fact that Base is basically a network that is created by Coinbase themselves, there is a huge opportunity that Base will drop their own token. If they drop their own token, this will be the biggest airdrop that has happened in crypto since like beginning of crypto. That's why I think this will pump the markets as well. How you can participate in the airdrop, you just have to do transactions on Base Network. That's why just by swapping, adding liquidity, swapping meme coins on Uniswap or whatever, you're doing transactions on the Base chain, and you're basically qualifying for a bigger airdrop. But if you're talking about DEGEN, there are some ways you can get free DEGEN. One of the ways is actively participating in Forecaster, because Forecaster is giving a free DEGEN airdrops, and DEGEN is the biggest meme coin of Forecaster. One bullish fact is that Vitalik is really bullish, and he has been talking about Forecaster for like since 2022, 2023. And looking at the fact that Forecaster actually made the DEGEN, I think the DEGEN will go to, multi-billion-dollar market cap easily. And I understand most of the people haven't been in this space for the last few years, but again, Vitalik is bullish on Forecaster. Forecaster made the DEGEN Memecoin. DEGEN actually has its own layer 3. That's why there are many opportunities on layer 3 of DEGEN. And again, it's the only meme coin on Coinbase exchange. It's insane. I think when DEGEN gets listed on Binance on all of these second tier chains, it'll go up like crazy. And the name DEGEN itself is really, really great for memes. And if you want to be early in these opportunities and not get rugged, you have to follow big accounts like Jesse Pollack, which is one of the team members of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase. They are frequently tweeting some memes. Also follow Elon Musk, Donald Trump. And my personal advice is don't follow the big influencers that are meme coin influencers. They will dump on you. Follow real founders, real creators like Vitalik. They are mentioning some meme coins, some funny tweets here and then. That's my personal opinion. That's how I invest in meme coins. Meme coins are really, really risky, but really high reward if you hit the right ones. That's why if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha, meme coin alpha, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.